Yo, what is up, learning machines? My name is Benjamin Fairborn. If you've watched my content before, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome to this channel. This is the Learning Machines channel, and basically I've documented my journey of what I've been doing for the last few years so far. What I've gotten insane results with is doing YouTube with a big channel, building email lists to a really high level of hundreds of thousands of emails, that are quality, real emails that I can promote to at any time and print money on demand. I make 6 figures per month and growing. And then I have this personal brand and I do adult marketing. Now, how do you make money with the hub here? I'm not going to say any of these trigger words because YouTube doesn't like that. But a lot of people ask me, and a lot of people also know me for, this adult stuff. Okay, how to make money with adult marketing. And if you want to make money with this hub here that we're going to talk about, you can totally do it. I mean, it's got so much traffic, it's insane, but how do you leverage that? A lot of the traffic's distracted, as you may assume. And so how do you do it? Okay, and how you do it is you do it with paid ads or content marketing on the platform. But it's more effective to do paid ads rather than the content marketing side of things. The content marketing can only go so far, plus you have to get approved, I believe, to make an account or something to be able to post content on there. And I'm sure you don't want to post yourself on there, right? I wouldn't. And so how you do it is you become a marketer and you make ads and funnels and your own websites, or you can just direct link to affiliate offers, or you can make your own drop shipping store, or you can make your own digital products and promote them. And so here's how it works. And this is how I've had the most success with marketing on these adult sites and the hub. And here's how you do it. So if you want to specifically advertise on the hub place, basically how you do that is you go to Traffic Junkie. Traffic Junkie is a traffic network. It basically has inventory on the hub and other big premium sites or whatever you want to call it. And you go there. And the cool thing is, about adult marketing is it's just so cheap. And how it works, how they do it, is because they know the traffic is so distracted, they basically give you tons of impressions. And so the power here of adult marketing is you can build so much brand awareness in a location like United States or something for your business. I really see it as very effective for building brand awareness, but I also see it as very effective for flipping your cash very quickly. And so, I've made millions of dollars so far, not like past $10 million yet, but I made millions of dollars just with adult marketing with paid ads. And how you do it is you find new offers or just really, really high converting offers that other people are promoting. That's fine. And you take advantage of it. You scale super fast. And how you do this, you do need a lot of cash, but you could start with $100 per day and test things and hopefully be able to figure out a winning combination, which is the winning ad plus the winning targeting plus the offers winning. And if you want to up the offer and get higher conversion rates, you're going to make a really, really good pre-sale landing page that just converts super well and makes people desire the offer more. And most people fail at doing the bridge page, and so that's why I don't recommend it for beginners. But how you do a bridge page is you want to leverage the 25 cognitive biases like psychology and sales and stuff here. The 25 cognitive biases is very powerful. I will show you something here. Let me put down this. I have it behind my desk here. So 1 second. Okay. Can you see it? So there's the 25 biases. I recommend you Google the 25 biases real quick so you understand. But I attribute the 25 biases to most of the money I've made in my life, because it's literally the triggers that make people take actions. It's the decision-making loophole for the brain. It allows you to not have to think too much on things. So anyway, if your pre-sale page has a lot of social proof, the social proof bias, if it has a lot of authority bias, a lot of reward bias, and reciprocity bias is a powerful one. Kantian fairness can be good. It's somewhat relevant to reciprocity bias. Then you want to leverage scarcity bias for sure. Another one you want to leverage, let me think, loss aversion. Okay, that's a super response bias, loss aversion. And what it means is people don't want to lose an opportunity or lose something. or anything they have. Micro commitment bias is something that people leverage a lot in adult marketing. They have the survey landing pages where people answer a bunch of random questions and build that micro commitment until the final commitment of giving their email address and contact info, or making an account on a website that the affiliate sends them to, or the CPA marketer sends them to. And so that's a very used bias, but I'm telling you right now, one of the most powerful biases is social proof bias by far. As a marketer, leverage that bias. And if you want to put that on your pre-sale landing pages, great. Another one, like I said, was reward bias. And in reward bias, you can up the offer too. And so you can add bonuses to people and more incentives for people to convert on the offer. And I recommend that bias mainly for when people buy things instead of people just giving their email address, okay? It's more effective for when people buy things, because you're like, hey, if you buy this, I'm also going to give you this, just send me an email of proof that you purchased, and then I'm going to send you all the bonuses. Okay, and that works really, really effectively, and it can make you a lot of money. Okay, a lot, and higher conversion rates too. So that's super, super powerful. But if you're if you're a female watching this and you're making content, or a male and you're making content or something, basically the best thing to do for you would be, you can have your own subscription website, or you can be an affiliate for any of these offers. And if you want to find offers, whoever's watching this, if you want to find offers, go to crackrevenue.com. It's a CPA network. It has a bunch of adult offers you can promote. They're basically one of the biggest networks out there. That's where I've made all my money doing adult marketing, is with that website. So you can leverage Crack Revenue to make money, or you can go directly to some of the big sites and be an affiliate for them. And I won't dive into too much really of what they are, but there's like the, X Toys type thing, not like X Toys like a name, but like, overall that industry of things, you could sell those and be an affiliate for those things. There's sometimes higher ticket items, I guess you could be affiliate for those things. And then cam sites, you can go directly and be an affiliate for them there. But there's just so many offers on Crack Revenue, you might as well just double down, focus on that. And also, if you're an affiliate on Max Bounty, that can be good, or even ClickBank. So on ClickBank, they've got dating products and educational products for dating and relationships, and you can promote those and earn a commission. So it's about doing product research, finding the best offers you can, or the new offers that look like you could take massive advantage of. It's new and not saturated yet. There's no competition, and you can promote whatever offer it may be, and just crush it. But you have to scale fast. Like my biggest campaigns, I put like 30 grand in, 10 grand to 30 grand in, just to test all the angles. I make tons of ads, and I know what works because I have so much data based off that much of an initial investment. But that's not testing one campaign or one offer. That's testing like up to like 10 different campaigns. And so that's super, super important to understand, is you've got to like treat it seriously because otherwise you'll struggle. But I believe it's hard for people to see success promoting, even with Traffic Junkie or ExoClick or Traffic Factory and all these different traffic networks. Even though it's so cheap, it's hard for people to get profitable because they select offers that are saturated already, or the problem is they're just direct linking. And I tell you to direct link, but you have to do it at a scalable way very quickly. Within a month, you need to scale. And like I said, and you need to have cash flow. So you need upwards of $10,000 to really make it big, to flip your cash very quickly and make 2x all the way to 5x return on your investment in a month. And then you'll start getting people copying you, so you have your campaign die down. That's why you need to scale it so quickly with these sites. But like I was saying before, I think the best way for any beginner or someone advanced to just crush it with adult marketing is make your own offer. There's way more money in doing this, okay, trust me. If you make your own, because I'm just so experienced that if I just direct link to an offer and have a lot of cash to make it happen and test everything, I can make it happen, or I can afford to lose a lot of money too, testing a ton of offers. And most people can't do that, and I understand that, and that's why I'm about to say one of the best ways is you have your own, let's say a YouTube channel you're doing, or you have your own, let's say someone who has OnlyFans, or someone who has their own product, a dropshipping store or something, or just any type of business you may have. You can build so much brand awareness for your business. It's insane. For so cheap you can. So you can get in front of all these people. Okay, they're basically the same people over on Facebook or YouTube. They just happen to be over on the Hub or any other one of these sites. And you can get in front of them at a high rate, and it doesn't cost you hardly anything, because it costs you like $1 or less. It costs like 50 cents per 1,000 people who see your ad. So you can build a ton of brand awareness for yourself. It's just your ad needs to say your business name, say what you offer, say the price on it, all this stuff on the ad, so that people are like, okay, this is this business, I'll go to this business. Have your website link inside your ad as well, and people will see this ad multiple times. Hopefully, if you're running long enough, just do it at $50 to a few $100 a day, and you're going to obviously get clicks and sales, but you're going to want to keep advertising, because you want to build that brand awareness in people, especially for a specific location. Let's say you have a brick and mortar store or something, okay, where you have a store locally or something. You can have your ad run locally in a specific state or a specific country, whatever, you know what I mean? You can do it very hyper targeted in a specific location, and that is powerful, for sure. Most people overlook how powerful that is in this world, that you can hyper target people who live in a very specific zip code, okay? But anyway, yeah, the brand awareness thing is something to mention big time. That's how you can just grow a business to the moon. It's just by so many people being aware of you, because in a funnel, a lot of people being aware of you and your business is very key. And then next is people, like considering to buy. And after that is some people buy, and then people buy way later down the funnel or whatever. And that's how the money's made. Now, how do you make more money? Is you have just so many people at the top of the funnel going and getting first introduced to you, and then cash out the bottom. That's how it works. So thank you so much for watching Learning Machines, and peace out, Learning Machines, and peace.